Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Quickmill Silvano espresso machine, and we had issues with this machine. The customer reported that this machine wasn't steaming, yet when we tested it we couldn't find any issues with the steaming. So one thing that people often forget is that this switch here in the back needs to be turned on or else it won't steam. And we also checked the button here, the thermal safety switch, with a meter, and it was good. We didn't have to press the button. And also the red part of the button was missing, so we put a new plastic cover on it. And but basically we didn't do anything to repair this machine, so let's go ahead and test it. Nice draw steam. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.